Hey guys, are you ready to cook? Today I am going to teach you my recipe for vegan dosas. I honestly can't count the number of dosa recipes I came across during my travels throughout India. Much like meatloaf in my native Midwest, each family seems to put their own spin on this classic dish. But I believe I found a relatively simple vegan dosa recipe that still delivers big flavors with hardly any calories. Like any great dosa recipe, this one involves a decent amount of prep time, but not much actual cooking time. And if yours aren't perfectly golden brown and crispy thin at first, just keep at it, because my first few dosas weren't perfect either. Once you've got the technique down, you'll have a nutritious and tasty standby to add to your culinary repertoire. So let's get into it. You should know this recipe implies 4 hours of preparation. Yeah, I know what you are thinking, but trust me, it's all worth it. Then, you will need 20 minutes of cooking time, and that will get you 4 delicious servings. Here are some nutritional facts. Calories: 105. Totally fat, 1.5 grams. Total carbohydrates, 20 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. Protein, 3 grams. Okay, so to cook this, you will need large mixing bowls, a blender, a mixing spoon or spatula, a ladle, and a pan. Once you have those, you need to get the following ingredients: 1 cup of brown rice, half a cup of urad dal, split black gram, 1/4 cup of chana dal, split Bengal gram, 1/4 cup of poha, flattened rice, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, salt to taste, water as required, and oil for cooking. Now let's get our hands dirty. First, you need to rinse the rice, the urad dal, and the chana dal separately, and soak them in water for at least 4 hours. Then, soak the poha and fenugreek seeds in water for at least 2 hours as well. After that, drain the water from the rice and dals and grind them together in a blender with enough water to form a smooth batter. Next, do the same with the poha and fenugreek seeds and grind them in a blender until smooth. Later, mix the poha fenugreek mixture with the rice dal batter. Add salt to taste and mix well. Then allow the batter to ferment for 6 to 8 hours or overnight in a warm place. Once the batter is fermented, heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Pour a ladle full of batter onto the center of the pan and spread it in a circular motion to form a thin crepe. Drizzle some oil around the edges of the dosa and cook until the bottom turns golden brown and the top is set. Finally, fold the dosa in half and serve it hot with chutney or sambar. Cooking dosas takes some patience, but I can assure you that you will want to cook them very often. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to check some more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Until next time.